Hi guys, welcome to your channel Stock Market. Today we will discuss a company which belongs to FMCG sector. It has already given wonderful returns from the listing. So today we will discuss about the nature of business and financials and future potential of the company. So let's start the video. Company is into the manufacturing and processing of various kinds of edible, non-edible oils and meals. Company has manufacturing facility in Gujarat, India. So edible portfolio includes brands like Vitalife, Mica and Mehak and Zyka. So Vanaspati portfolio includes brands like Richfield and Puff Fried. The market cap of this company is 1800 crores. ROC is 31.9%, ROE is 29.9%. So we will see the financials of this company. So in 2019 it has made 4500 crore sales. In 2020 it has made 5500 crore sales. In 2021 it has made 8300 crores, and in the last year 2022 it has made 10,300 crore sales. So the sales is increasing year by year, and profit before tax and net profit also from 11 crores 2019 11 crores to 19 crores in 2020, 45 crores in 2021, and in the last year it has made 123 crores profit. So the sales and profit are increasing year by year. It has also very good shareholding pattern. And another thing is shareholding pattern has also increased, and promoters has increased the shareholdings. So from 69% in the last year to 72.1% promoters holding, and FIS 0.24, DIS 0, and public it has 27.58% holdings. So shareholding pattern is also good. So overall the company's financials is very good, and in future it has a very good potential. It may give wonderful returns in the future. So please consider this for buying also. So before buying, make a detailed study of this company. The company is Gokul Agro Resources. Right now it's trading around 120 rupees. So it has delivered very good returns in the past, and in future also it may give wonderful returns. So please have a study on this company. So let's meet on next video. Until then, goodbye, take care.